We got a truck driver coming. A Dollar General. Oh my god. I was zoomed in too. Whoa, whoa. See if he gets her to honk. Or him to honk. Oh, rejected. Don't worry, you still got another one up there. It's a yellow. Yeah, I got that zoomed in too. Oh yeah. I can seriously get a lot of zoom on this camera. I didn't even get halfway there and I'm already at the truck. Round 2. See if you can get him. Damn, that boy has 2 extras on there. It's a something and then a yellow. Roadway and yellow. Okay. Let's see, let's see. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? Second one, rejected.
He looked at me too.
That truck driver's coming up too. Look at him.
He's like, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna do it.
Oh my god, a car coming. Car. He's too busy on the phone.